Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to tell you about your next project. It is called Zentangles. In case you missed Monday's Zoom meeting, I wanted to give you a little bit of background about what Zentangles are. And actually, Zentangles are pretty cool because it's just doodling. Zentangles are easy, and it's kind of like just making patterns, but these patterns are a lot more advanced than your regular patterns that you're used to, like stripes and polka dots. Zentangles can sometimes look three-dimensional. The biggest thing about Zentangles is that when you do them, you use a pen or a Sharpie, and you don't worry at all about making mistakes. It's kind of one of those things where if you make a mistake, you just turn it into something else. So as you can see from this picture on the side, this is a Zentangle that shows a lot of pattern making skills, and some of them are easy, like the checkerboard or the stripes, and some of them are a little bit more advanced, like the 3D stairs or the boxes or things that just look like they might take some time. With a Zentangle, you don't need an eraser. Just like in life, you can't erase things that you've done, but instead you can turn them into something good. So life is a building process, and everything that we experience are included into our learning process and help us become who we are. So Zentangles are a really good way to see how art and life can be very, very similar. Zentangles are in all shapes and sizes. Sometimes artists like to do their Zentangles in easy shapes like circles. Sometimes they like to do a little bit more advanced pattern making. Here's an example page of just a few of the thousands and thousands of patterns that can be made that are called Zentangles. Now, each of these patterns actually have a name because they've been designed by a specific artist. Again, some more patterns that some look easy and some look hard. But here are just some names of some of these Zentangle patterns. Now, you can find these on a website. We're going to stick with a few of the basic easy ones for our Zentangle. I am going to ask that you do try some of the ones I demonstrate on the video. And I am going to hope that you do try a few of those that you find on the worksheets. Some more Zentangles, a twisted rope, some easy squares. Some of these are hard, but actually they're really not that hard. There are tricks to making these patterns. It can be exciting to make your own patterns, but it can also be really relaxing. So this is just an idea of what it is that we're going to be working on. You will be creating your own Zentangles. And again, I just want to remind you that you are sixth graders. So we're going to look for patterns that are a little more advanced than what we used to do in fifth grade and fourth grade. So I hope you have fun. It's a great project, and I can't wait to see what you create.